All right, some noodle time. Headed to the airport in a little bit. So I know, like, blah 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 blah. I don't fucking know. Sometimes I don't know. You know what it is? I think my brain moved too fast. So my brain moves too fast and my thoughts come out fast. No, some shit. You know what I'm talking about. Wow. Like, let me fix myself up. I love these pants. Look at these pants. These are my, I like to wear these to the airport. So I had showed y'all I'm going back to the DMV after Miami. So we're gonna be in Miami for almost 2 weeks. So I packed the house up with groceries. There's a fucking shitload of groceries in here for the kids. I'm like, oh, mommy gonna be gone for a while. Need y'all to have food. Of course, I have an assistant that watches them. I just don't leave my kids by themselves for that fucking long. You know, I'm sure they'll be fine. So after that, after Miami, I'm gonna go to DC, to DMV, to Maryland. And so there's this, like, I'm doing a gun violence awareness week, and we're doing like a celebrity basketball fucking game. Mind you, I'm the only fucking girl, so it's a lot of pressure on me. Okay, I'm fucking short. So today I was like, I'm gonna go do some practice. So calling my friend, her kids play basketball, whatever. So today I'm at the court. I'm playing with little kids. Mind you, I won. I did a 1-on-1. I won. It was 1-4. Okay, because I was getting tired. I broke it down and everything. I glued it back on. I was playing 1-on-1 with the kid. I won. He was 7 years old. Do I feel so accomplished beating a 7-year-old? Yes, because he was talking a lot of smack. This little boy was talking a lot of shit. He was so fucking cute. He was so adorable. Yeah, I was cheating. I picked him up. It was fun though. He talked a lot of shit. And I was like, ooh, I'm not a regular adult. Let me tell you, I'm childish as fuck. Okay? You a child, I'm childish. So yes, I will argue with a child. Yeah, fun though. I talked a lot of shit back. And then at the end, he was like, you coming back tomorrow? And I was like, nope. You gonna come back next week? I said, nope. maybe next week because I need more practice. I can score, but yes, I will have to cut my nails down because that's gonna hurt because this thumb flipped back today. And that was me playing with kids. Fuck I'm gonna do on the court with grown ass men. But I ain't trying to be no trash. I'm trying to disappoint everybody. I put a lot of cilantro in here because, you know, I like my vegetables. I love soup. I love noodles. It's just so warm going down your throat into your stomach. Because I'm a cold person. Like, I run really cold. Y'all can be hot. I be freezing. My hands and feet is always cold. I'm excited. I'm going to get some new teeth. So mind you, this tooth is an implant. It took me 2 years. I don't know if y'all remember, if y'all watching my videos when I used to take out my tooth like and pop this tooth off. But I need to pop my tooth off. So it took me 2 years because I lost the bone completely. So I had to get bone graft twice because my first one failed. So I had to get bone graft twice. Very painful process. And now that it's settled, I can get my Emax veneers. Emax veneers are more expensive. I had resin on the top. I had nothing on the bottom. And I know you're gonna say, your teeth look good, you don't need it. I like the fake look. Hence my boobs and ass. My long eyelash, my long nails. Like, I'm extraordinary. I was lazy, y'all. I ain't even cut the baby carrots. I said, fuck them, put them bitches in there. There was this one Vietnamese spot in Miami that I used to go to, this pho joint. And they had some really spicy, like really spicy chili paste, chili oil. And then COVID happened, they had to close down, and they just never opened back up. So sad, because it was good. I love finding me some like really spicy chili oil. Whoa, that's all cilantro. A lot of people don't like cilantro. They say it tastes like soap. I don't think it tastes like soap. I really like the taste. But I like the texture of it too. I got another surprise for y'all. But you'll find out in 2 weeks. After we come back. We're going to take it a week at a time. Okay, a week at a time. So this week, it's my friend Connie's birthday. So we're going to Miami. And we're going to get her some boobs for Miami Life Plastic Surgery. So yeah, we'll go to some cool spots. Get her teeth done. Wait for her teeth to come in. And then we'll come back and go to DC. Hell no, I can't be getting dirty. I just love udon noodles. They're just like thicker, chewier, deliciouser. Did you know that you can lose more weight if you chew your food more? I don't, obviously. I barely fucking chew my food. But you lose more weight if you chew more because you're breaking the food down so much so it processes smaller, so it goes through your digestive system faster and easier. I just made that shit up. I have no idea. But but you should be in bed and sleep because it's late. Not up here watching me eat noodles, but I love you. Thank you for watching me eat. I appreciate you. All right, go subscribe to my OF. Bye, love you. Kisses you.